Hello students, in the previous video I discussed with you all Newton's third law of motion. In this video we will start our new topic, that is the conservation of linear momentum. Okay, let us start. One thing I am telling before starting our topic, what do you understand by linear momentum? Linear momentum, clear? The symbol of linear momentum is P, right? So linear momentum, simple we will say here, it's a product of mass and velocity, product of mass and velocity. Okay, but our topic name is conservation of linear momentum, conservation of linear momentum. First of all, we have to understand the definition of the conservation. Means, what do you mean by conservation? Means, we are talking here about linear momentum. Linear momentum means we can say this is a simple kind of motion. When any heavy object, here we can say any body which has a mass m, and that body moving from one place to another place, so we can say their body has a momentum concept, right? So we will talk here about the conservation. So first of all, I am telling here conservation. What do you mean by the conservation? In the case of conservation, we have to take here 3 points. Number one, initial point. Number two, final point. Or number three is path. Clear? So we can say body is present at this point. This point is what? A point. We can say this is the initial point. After that, when we will kick or hit the ball, so simply ball showing their motion with some velocity, and it will reach at a point that is B point. Okay or not? Okay. So we are observing here at 2 points only. This is our first point. This is our second point. We can say this is our initial point. This is our final point, or we can say this is a path where object will move. Okay or not? Okay. If this is a first point, initial point, this is a final point, so we can say in the case of conservation, initial point is equal to final point, and when we will take this point in this side, so it will become in negative form, so we can say it comes equal to 0. So we can say initial point is equal to the final point. Okay, so this is the simple understanding. In this case, we will include initial point is equal to the final point. Means we can say in the case of conservation, object motion depends on its initial and final point, initial and final position, not its path. It will not depend on its path. So simply we can say body depends on its, body motion depends on its initial and final position. If we will talk about conservation, so we will say here what? Initial momentum equal to the final momentum. So it will show conservation, right? If we will talk about energy, so we will say here that initial energy is equal to the final energy, then equal to, but it does not depend on the path. Okay, here we will discuss about linear momentum. What? Linear momentum means we can say about the conservation of linear momentum. Okay na? So when we will talk about conservation of linear momentum, so in this case we will prove our initial momentum is equal to the final momentum, and when we will subtract both, we will get 0 result. So we can say, if we will talk about this is the first point, we can say here momentum is P1. This is our final point, we can say momentum is P2. So if we can say P1 is equal to P2, P1 is equal to P2, so on that time we can include here conservation. And talking about momentum, so we will say here conservation of momentum. If we will take this P2 in this side, we will get what? P1 minus P2 equal to 0. So this point will show here conservation. Conservation means conservation of linear momentum. Okay, let us start going to understand this topic simply by one example. So listen carefully, student, give me attention here. Listen one thing, we have a 2 point. this is our first point. Yeah, we have any object which that position of this object, that is what, first position, we can say that is what, first. And when simply you will hit the ball will reach at this point only, so we can say this is a second position of the ball. So we can say mass of the ball here m, here also mass of the ball is what, m, and velocity of the ball is what, v. Here velocity of the ball is what, v. Okay or not? Okay. And it will reach from first position to second position after covering this path. Okay or not? Okay, student? Okay or not? Okay. So for understanding this concept, we will take a help of our Newton's second law of motion formula. So we have a formula that is what, F is equal to mass into acceleration. F is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay na? Or we know that acceleration is equal to what, initial final velocity minus initial velocity upon what बच्चे, what, initial velocity minus final velocity minus initial velocity upon time covering interval taken. Okay or not? Okay. So simply we can put its value here. Yes, we can. So we will get here what, simply m into what, v minus u upon t, close the bracket, multiply this m, we will get what, m into v minus m into u upon t. Okay or not? Okay. One thing, listen, in this case one concept, yeah, one point you have to keep in your mind, we will not include here external force. So if simply we can say this F is equal to F external force. Later I will tell you what is the meaning of external force. Okay na, that force which will you apply externally, that force we can say that is the external force. But in this case we will not include our external force. Okay, what will we do? We will put F external force equal to 0. F external force equal to 0. One thing I am saying, all those body which has not any external force, we can say all those bodies which have not any external force, on that time we can say all those body can include in isolated system, isolated bodies, या isolated system bodies. Okay na? So isolated means what, all those body which have not any external force, we can say external force equal to 0. If examiner will ask a question from you in the examination, what do you understand by isolated system, yeah, isolated bodies, all those body which have not any kind of external force, so we can say F external equal to 0. So you can say what, body will remain in isolated system, yeah, you can say all this body we can call isolated bodies. Okay or not? Okay. So what will we do? We will put F external equal to 0, then put F external equal to 0. So we can say mv minus mu upon what, t equal to 0. So simply we will take 1 here, do here cross multiplication. So this t moves another side, so we will get mv minus mu is equal to 0. Okay. So we can say this v means what, v means what, tell me student, v means what, v means what, final point, or final point means we can say here m into v, m into v means what, final momentum, mass into velocity na, or this is equal to our initial momentum, that is what u. So we can say m into u, m into u is equal to momentum of initial point. Okay, so you can say what, mv means final momentum minus initial momentum equal to 0. So we can say final momentum equal to initial momentum. Okay or not? Okay. So we can say momentum will remain conserved. Okay or not? Okay. So but here one condition you have to take, F external equal to 0, should be equal to 0. So on that time we will get final momentum is equal to initial momentum. So we can say linear momentum remains conserved. Linear momentum remains conserved. Simply in this previous example, I took here one body system. One body system means I took here that one object moving we got here second position of the body. Okay na, so I discussed here only one system. One system means one body system. But if we have a two body system, we can say what? Second point, this is the second point. Clear na? So in this we can include two body system. Two body system we can say one body, two body, you can include three body, four bodies, five bodies, 10 bodies, means more than one body. Clear na? So here I will discuss when we have more than one body, means two bodies. So on that time, how can you prove momentum will remain conserved? But in this case also you have to prove initial momentum is equal to the final momentum. Okay, simply first of all we have to understand the diagram. Clear? So we can say we have a two body. This is our first body, this is our second body. Okay or not? Okay, so we can say its mass is what? Ma, because both bodies are different na, so mass will be different. So here we can say second body, its mass is what? Mb. Clear? So we are talking about initial point na, so its initial velocity is what? Ua. Its initial velocity is what? Ub. Okay or not? Okay, but one thing you have to keep in your mind, here both body are moving in a same direction, in this direction, means right hand side direction only. Okay, but one condition I am giving here, condition, if velocity of A more than velocity of B, if velocity of A more than that of velocity of B. Okay na, so we can say the velocity of body A more than that of velocity of B. So you can see if velocity of A is more and velocity of B is less, so what will happen? So this body will collide to this body. Okay or not? Okay, this body will collide with this body, so we will get this position. We can say that this is the second position. So we will get this position, a situation, a condition, yeah, we can say configuration, like it. Okay na, because we know that its velocity is less, its velocity is more, so this body will reach up to this body. Okay or not? Okay, then both body will collide to each other. Both body will collide to each other. So we can take any example. One cycleman is moving, so in backside that truck is coming. Okay, then truck person hit this cycle. What will happen? This cycle person will move with a high speed in forward direction, but it will come, it's with same speed, same simple velocity. Okay or not? Okay, this body will not affect, but its velocity will increase. Okay or not? Okay, same thing we can say when this object will collide to this object, because its velocity is more na, mass we can say can be equal, so we can say its mass can be more, anything else. Okay na, so one thing you can think you can do here, so this body will collide to this body, so we can say second body velocity will increase. So we will get here third position, this is our first position of the object's second position, so we will get here third position of the object, like this. After collision, this body will reach here. This is our second body, we can say that is Mb, this is our Me, but this time velocity will change. So we can say this body velocity is what? Va. This body velocity what? Vb. Okay, so we can say this is the initial point, initial velocity, and this is the final point, final velocity. Okay or not? Okay, mere bachcho? Yes, say yes or no? Okay or not? Okay, yes. So we can say body will move with a high velocity. Okay or not? Okay, but here you can see when both body will collide to each other, so we can say this body will apply force on this body and this body apply force on this body. So when this body will collide on this body, so we will get force in this direction. This body, when this body will collide, we will get force in this direction. If we can say this is A body, this is object B, when both will collide, so here we can say FBA, means B body will get force from A. So that body which are getting force now we will write first, and that which are giving force means effector force will write in the back side. So in this side we will do F means A is getting force and B is giving here. Okay or not? Okay, so we will get force as same like it. But you know that its velocity is more than both, so we can say this body is moving in this direction. After collision, this body also moving, this will be the final velocity. Okay or not? Okay, any doubt to any student? So we will talk about initial momentum. What? We will talk about initial momentum. Okay or not? Okay, but one thing simple I am telling. Okay, we can say initial momentum. initial momentum. One thing I am telling again, one thing listen, so this force in this side, this force in this side, so we can say we will get here Newton third law. Newton third law means both body will collide, so will move in opposite direction, means action. So we can say this action force or this is the reaction force. So we can say here what? Tell me student, FAB is the opposite of FBA. You can write FBA is the opposite of FAB. Say yes or no. So simple, we can say initial momentum. So we have initial momentum of body A. Body A. What? Initial momentum of body A, what? Mass into velocity. So we can say what? MA VA. So we can say this is the what? P1. Okay or not okay? Say yes or no. Clear na? So you can say that is the PA. Yeah, PI. No need to write anything. Okay, leave. Okay. Okay, initial momentum of body B, what? MB VB. Okay or not okay? Any doubt to any student? Okay, simple one. So this is the initial configuration. This is the initial configuration. Okay, come on the final step. The final step means what? Final momentum of the body A is what? MA, mass will remain same. VA, V means final velocity. Final momentum of body B. So we can say that is what? MB VB. Okay or not okay? Okay or not okay? So this is the configuration of first position. This is the detail of third position. Then when from second equation we will get here what? Newton third law. So Newton third law we can say the what? FAB is equal to minus FBA. Okay or not okay? So we can say here FA is getting force from B. A is getting force from B na. Then we will talk here about only FA. Okay or not okay? Same thing, FB getting force from A. So B getting force from A, so we can take that is B. Okay or not okay? So for A we will do what? Force is equal to what? Mass into acceleration. So we can say MA acceleration AA. Clear? So same thing for second body, MB AB. Okay or not okay student? Say yes or no? Yes. So we can say, so simply what will we do? Apply acceleration formula. Acceleration formula apply here. Means we can say final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. So same thing, minus MB. Final velocity of B body, initial velocity of B body upon time. Okay or not okay student? So simply we applied here formula na. Final minus initial upon time, final minus initial upon time. Okay or not okay student? Very simple. So simply you can cancel out T from both sides. Yes, we can cancel. So we will get here what? Multiply this MA inside the bracket. We will get here what? MA. This is what? VA minus MA UA. Okay or not okay? Same thing we will do here. MB minus VB. Minus sign is already here. See student, minus MB VB, so minus minus plus. So plus MB UB. Okay or not okay? Okay, this equation I am writing on the next page. So listen carefully. Okay student, we got this equation from the previous one. Say yes or no? Okay, all those things which are in the form of U, take one side, and other things you can take in another side. Okay or not okay? So you can say here what? MAVA. Take this V means v, final velocity in one side, take final velocity and initial velocity in separate side. So we can say what, ma va, when this side will come in this side become what, positive, so it becomes what, mb vb. Okay or not? Okay. So same thing we can say here, this mb ub, this side will move, in this side will get what, plus ma ua, ma ua. Okay or not? Okay. Yes student. उसके बाद after that see here, very important I am telling, listen, MAV what, MV momentum, A object, V means final. So I told you na, MV means final momentum, MU means initial. This initial velocity will tell us about the initial momentum. This V will tell us about the final momentum. Say yes or no, okay or not? Okay. Yes student. So we can say MAVA, MBVB. Okay na? So this is the final object of A, final velocity of the object B. So we can say this is the momentum. Momentum final object what? A object. Momentum, P means momentum final B object. Same thing. Momentum initial B object. Momentum initial A object. So you can see here final final, initial initial. So we can see here this is the total final momentum is equal to total initial momentum. Okay. So we proved here initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So linear momentum. This momentum is the linear momentum. Remains conserved. Okay or not? Okay student. This is the simple explanation of the thing. So we proved here initial is equal to final. So you can take this side in here. So we can say Pf minus Pi equal to 0. Okay or not? Okay student. Yes, this is a simple explanation of the conservation of linear momentum. Conservation of linear momentum. Okay, when you will derive expression, here in this case we took a body like this, both body will move in the same direction, but in next case you can take both body simply are coming in the same direction. On that time also we will get same result, final momentum is equal to initial momentum. So on that time also means momentum will remain conserved. Okay or not? Okay. So this is the simple explanation. Again I am telling, in this case you will not give any external force. If you will not give any external force, so we can say external force equal to 0, then body will remain in isolated system, will remain isolated bodies. Okay or not? Okay. So simple you can understand here, all those body which has not any external force, so we can say all those body are in the isolated system, Okay or not? Okay. So for conservation, in the conservation system we can discuss different example. So most important example I am discussing with you all, number one example is the case of rocket, propulsion. You can see in the case of rocket, this is the simple diagram of rocket. Okay or not? Okay. So simply you can see fire will come outside, means fuel will burn in this side, and this rocket will move where, upside. Okay or not? Okay. So you can see that much fuel quantity will burn, so the rocket velocity will be more. So we can say backside momentum of the fuel, here we can say the moment of exhaust is vertically downward. When you will see fuel will burn na, so it will apply force downside, means it will apply thrust. So we can say momentum means we can say the momentum of exhaust is vertically downward. Newton's third law of motion, if you will get momentum downside same, so upside also you will get same momentum. So you can say upside and downside momentum will remain same. So vertically downside, so we can say vertically downward equal to momentum vertically upward. If both are equal, then resultant will be equal to 0. So things will remain conserved. Okay or not? Okay. Since the momentum of exhaust is vertically downward, the momentum of rocket should be vertically upward, so that the total momentum remains 0. 0 means conserved. The momentum gained by the rocket propels it. Okay or not? Okay. So this is the simple example. We should note that here also an action reaction will be upside, action will be downside, action reaction pair is formed. The rocket acts on the exhaust gases, the exhaust gases react on the rocket. The gases will move downside and this rocket will move upside. Okay or not? Okay. Very last and final application of conservation of momentum, that is recoiling of gun. Recoiling of gun. Recoiling of gun. This application is very important. By this you can understand, means you can learn the use of your this gun, means how much force you should apply on this gun for making yourself safe from backward reaction. Okay, because you know that when you will use the gun now, so when you will fire on anything, the bullet will come out, so this bullet will create that reaction, opposite reaction. So we will get a backward force here, backside force. Okay, so this is the backside force and the forward force. This whole combination is called the recoiling of gun. So simply we can say, initially this is the shape of gun. Okay or not? Okay. So this is the trigger, we can say. Clear? If simply we can say that inside it bullet are filled. Clear? So when you will simply initially, this means you are not using this one. So we can say mass of the trigger. Mass of the trigger is what? Loaded gun, capital M. No velocity. So we can say initial point I am saying about the gun. About the gun. Okay now, a loaded gun at rest. So initial momentum means we will talk about initial momentum. So for understanding the initial momentum, we have to take here one concept, that is initial velocity. So its initial mass is m, and velocity in the backside of the gun, we can say that is capital V. But initially it is at rest, so we can say V equal to 0. So we will talk about bullet. So in the case of bullet, we will take small m. So in for bullet will come out now, so its velocity will be what? U. Okay or not? Okay. So backside velocity I am taking V. Yeah, you can say you can take U only, U, no problem. U of the gun, U of the bullet. Clear? Mass of the bullet, mass of the gun. Okay or not? Okay. Mass of the gun. So we can say initial momentum what? Initial momentum. Momentum means what? Gun momentum plus bullet momentum. Bullet momentum. Initial, the gun momentum is what? Mass of gun is G. So initial velocity U, G, plus, so we can say bullet momentum means mass of bullet is what? MB, or mass moment velocity of the bullet VB, UB. Initial talking now. So you know that initially this gun at rest. Initially this gun at rest or not? Yes. So we can say it is at rest. So we can say UG equal to 0, and here UB equal to 0. Initial velocity of bullet, initial velocity of gun equal to 0. Then put here. So we will get mg into 0, or mb equal to 0. So we will get 0, 0 plus 0, we will get 0. So we can say initial momentum will be 0. Okay or not? Okay. We will talk about final momentum. Final momentum will prove here conservation. So we can say this is a gun. Clear now? This is a trigger, we can say. Clear? So in this case also, when you will use the trigger, so simply bullet will come out here. And when bullet will come out, so this revolver, yeah, gun will move little bit backside, will create their opposite force, that is the reaction force, reactive force. Bullet will move forward, will get their reactive force. Okay or not? Okay. So if we will get here reactive force, so on that time this will be the final position. Mass will remain same. Mass of the gun is what? mg. Mass of the bullet mb. Okay or not? Okay. Mass of the gun mg, mass of the bullet mb. So velocity backside final v, final position will get the na. So we can say vg. Forward of bullet is what? vb, bullet velocity. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? So we can say we will get here opposite momentum because this gun will move backside, bullet will move forward. So we can say momentum will be here what? mb vb. Momentum will be here what? mg vg. But this momentum is in opposite direction. This momentum is in opposite direction. So we can say this will be the negative. Reaction force, action force, reaction force. Action coming out, reaction opposite force, opposite momentum. Or in forward side this will be the positive. So we can say final momentum. Final momentum. Final momentum will be what? Bachche, tell me, final momentum will be what? Final momentum will be what? Yes, minus mg vg total na, plus what? mb vb. mg vg plus mb vb. Okay or not, okay student? Okay or not, okay student? Yes or no? So we will get this equation when bullet will be in a working position, working form. Clear? So second thing, if we will talk about the conservation. In conservation, what will we do? Body will be isolated. Isolated means external force will be equal to 0. We are not applying here any external force. Force is coming automatically. Automatically means bullet moving outside. So opposite, we will not talk about trigger. Trigger we will not talk. This is the external force. So this is the triggering point only. So force will come automatically. Bullet will move forward and this object will come in this direction. Okay or not? Okay. So we can say external force will be equal to 0. So we can say body will be the isolated. So we can say momentum. When external force equal to 0 na, so on that time what will we do? You can come on the previous point. Which point? Previous point. See here at this point. Listen, when external force equal to 0, here external force equal to 0, so after solving this one we will get final momentum is equal to initial momentum. Yes na, final momentum is equal to initial momentum. Okay or not? Okay. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Yes, final momentum equal to the initial momentum. Okay or not? Okay. Come on the same previous point. When external force equal to 0, so we can say final momentum is equal to the initial momentum. Okay, so the initial momentum is the bullet momentum. So in opposite direction we will get the final momentum. So we can say this is the final momentum, this is the initial momentum. So in this case we will not include negative sign. So we will get what? Final momentum is what? mg vg, gun. Initial means mb vb. Okay or not? Okay. Take here mg vg equal to minus mb vb equal to 0. So it proves here that conservation of momentum. In the rocket propulsion we will get same thing. Rocket moving upside, opposite momentum we will get, resultant will be 0. So same thing we can forward direction, backward direction, resultant will be equal to 0. So we can say this recoiling of gun remain in the conservation form. So we can say it will be the conserved totally. Okay or not? Okay. So this topic I discussed with you all. So you can understand carefully. If you are getting any doubt, you can consult me in the comment box or personally you can send me SMS. Okay student, God bless you.